Hey guys, we developed this application for one of our client and I'll show you the demonstration. So I'll just quickly explain you what this app does. There were several invoices that client had from its users. So we used Google Gemini's API to leverage the OCR model, and we need not implement OCR from our side. Of course, we could have done, but we use Gemini's API because they offer free tier for as of now. I think it's 2025 right now. So of course, they now as well offer free tier plans for API. So we leverage that. Of course, we also implemented security measures too to handle all security and to avoid misuse of the API. So this is the app. I'll just quickly show you how it does. If we upload an image, I click on next. It processes entire image and via again Gemini's API, it provides us the entire field values. All of it is done by Google App Script in the backend, and we have implemented this in React.js. So yeah, this is the form. As I said, the main objective and subjective of this form was to minimize the user's input. So all of it was filled by Gemini's API itself. So we just need to fill in the colors because it was not in the invoice like this. If suppose it fails to read the product name, it shows select a product, which is fine. I mean, no AI model is 100% perfect. If we increase the quantity, we can add more colors to it. We can also specify whether the product is for shipping or not. Also, there are several other fields that we need to fill out. I'll just quickly fill in the form. Of solutions and .com. All right. So number. I'll just add the dummy address to it. Mm. And some state. Um, I'll just quickly write state R. Zip code is there. Now, yeah, we need to upload document too. So this is normal document, by the way. Yeah, it shows this pretty loading bar as well. And once the upload is done, it shows the check mark icon. I'll just quickly sign in. Krish. Okay, all of it is done. Okay, I'll just quickly just remove the state for now. We have handled validations too. So yeah, this it says state is required. So I just quickly fill in the state again. Once that's done, it shows uploading and it will upload to the Google Sheet. I'll quickly show you the Google Sheet as well. Yeah. So this was empty earlier. Now it's filled with our data. Like you can see what we have filled here. Um, that's the main crux of it. And we have triggers as well. Like Google Apps Script provides triggers. So trigger runs every minute or so, and it sends an email as well with this invoice. The acknowledgement form. So this acknowledgement form was in Google document, and you can see all the placeholder values like this. So it will be filled by script, of course, and the PDF file will be sent over email. I'll quickly show you the email as well, but before that, I'll show you the folder structure too. So this is the images folder. This is the document that we uploaded right from the form. Also the receipts along with my sign and acknowledgement form. It's not generated yet. As I said, it takes a minute or so to generate. And once it is generated, I will also get an email too. So let's wait for some time. Okay, I had paused this video. Here it is. The PDF is generated. So I'll quickly show you. This is the PDF that was generated. Again, this is replica of this document. And I believe there will be one email as well. So yeah, email has been generated too, and the PDF it is attached as well. So that was about it. If you need something similar to this or needs any kind of automation with Google Workspace or anything else, we provide a lot of services. You can visit our website. It's digitalcraftsolutions.com. I'll attach the link as well in the description below. So just let me know. Thanks again.